Father to Lincoln Total Park Pro. Today was 2023 Haval H6 2-litre. Ran from the 2nd 2021 to the current show. It's a 420 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 420 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, wrist weight buster,